Have you ever experienced this? You study all night, make notes, highlight everything in different colors, and the very next day during the exam, your mind goes completely blank. After studying so much, everything just disappears, like someone pressed the reset button on your brain. And then you start thinking, maybe I'm just dumb. Maybe everyone else is smarter than me. But let me tell you the truth. You're not the problem. Your study method is. According to science, we forget nearly 70% of what we learn within just 24 hours. That means the 5 hours you studied yesterday, more than half of it is already gone today. It's like trying to fill water into a broken bucket. You keep pouring water from the top, but it keeps leaking from the bottom. Highlighting, rereading, cramming, all these things only make you feel like you're studying, but your brain treats it as background noise and deletes it. The good news? You can actually hack this system without sitting at your desk for 8 hours a day. Japanese students use a few simple techniques that help them remember thousands of difficult characters for years without cramming. In today's video, you'll learn 5 powerful Japanese study methods that will put your memory on turbo mode, plus a bonus at the end that can completely change your mindset. Method number 1, active recall. Stop reading, start remembering. The biggest mistake we make is constantly pushing information into our brain, reading books, checking notes, watching videos. Think of the gym. If you just look at the dumbbells, your body won't change. Your muscles grow only when you lift the weight. The brain works the same way. Real learning happens when you try to remember without looking. How to do it? Simple steps. Step 1. After studying a topic, close the book. Step 2. Take a blank page. Step 3. Write down everything you remember, headings, examples, formulas, ideas. One rule only, no peeking. At first your mind will feel blank, you'll feel frustrated, but that discomfort, that's the moment real learning is happening. The more the struggle, the stronger the memory. Method number 2, the Kumon method. Consistency over intensity. We all become heroes one day before the exam. Today, I'll finish the whole chapter. I'll study for 10 hours today. And then, zero study for the next 3 days. Kumon teaches that learning is like building a tower. You don't build the entire tower at once. You place one block at a time. Study a little every day, but study every day. Set a target of just 15 to 30 minutes of deep study daily. As James Clear says in Atomic Habits, improve by just 1% every day, and you become 37 times better in a year. Small portion, daily, high quality. Method number 3, spaced repetition. Not once, but again at the right time. Imagine watering a plant. If you pour a whole bucket of water in one day and then do nothing for 15 days, what happens? Either the plant dies or the water is wasted. Memory works the same way. If you study once and leave it, you will forget. The trick is to revise exactly when your brain is about to forget. Simple pattern. Day 0, learn the topic plus do active recall. Day 1, short revision. Day 3, quick recap. Day 7, final revision. Each revision flattens the forgetting curve, and the information slowly moves from short-term to long-term memory. Method number 4, Kaizen, the 6-minute rule. Kaizen means small daily improvement. Our problem is we want perfection in one day. From tomorrow, full routine. From tomorrow, 8 hours of study. The Japanese approach is simple. Tiny steps, long time. If you're not consistent right now, don't aim for 4 to 5 hours. Just aim for 6 minutes. The 6-minute formula. First 2 minutes, active recall of yesterday's topic. Next 2 minutes, spaced repetition, quick scan of old notes. Last 2 minutes, focused practice. One question, one example, one problem. Do this honestly every day, and within a few weeks your focus, memory, and confidence will go to the next level. Method number 5. Shu, deep focus rituals. In Japan, students create small signals before studying that tell the brain, study mode on. For example, always study at the same desk, use the same pen or notebook, light a candle, play soft lo-fi music, or use one fixed playlist. When you repeat the same ritual daily, your brain links these actions with focus. The moment the ritual starts, your mind automatically becomes calmer, sharper, and more ready to absorb information. Now the most important bonus, Ikigai, your why. Ikigai means your reason to wake up in the morning. Without a strong why, no technique will work. Your brain keeps asking, why history? Why this math formula? How does this help my life? Japanese students don't study just for marks. They connect subjects to their dreams. I want to be a doctor, so I must understand biology. I want financial freedom, so I must master math and commerce. Take a sticky note and write this in front of your study table. I am studying because I want to make my parents proud. I want my dream college, dream life. I want to change my situation. When you're tired at night, when motivation is gone, active recall won't wake you up. Your why will. One more page, one more step. Now you have two options. Either continue studying the old way, highlights, cramming, and forgetting everything the next day, or start studying smart starting today. Right after this video, take a blank page and write what you learned from this video, which one method you'll apply today, active recall, Kumon, spaced repetition, Kaizen, or Shu. If you want your generation to move ahead not just with hard work, but with smart work, share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel because this is where you'll learn not how to study, but how to learn. See you in the next video.